Coverage you can count on begins tonight with families of victims of the Cold Case Project meeting with one another and law enforcement for some encouragement and tips on their path to justice.
My sister and them been missing almost 32 years.
One by one, they shared their stories once more.
For 23 years, my sister and them case went cold. Nobody knew they was missing. Nobody knew their names. And then we got a new sheriff. I called down there. He decided to open their case back up because their case was closed a year after they went missing.
Shantae Sturgis is talking about her twin sisters, Danette and Jeanette Millbrook, missing since 1990. The twins and other families featured during the first year of Cold Case Project, News Channel 6's in-depth series on local murdered and missing persons cases, all met in one room together for the first time.
My father was murdered in 1998. My calls, for the most part, have gone unanswered. I've had a few responses, but shock to know that in his file was only a piece of paper with his name and his date of death.
And that's Reverend James Ivy, killed in Aiken County at his used furniture store in 1998. His daughter, grandson, and other loved ones attended along with Carolyn Bates. Her son, Larry Sanders Jr., was killed in his Edgefield County home in 2010.
His door was kicked in, and from what I know, two individuals started shooting. One bullet hit him. That's the bullet that killed him.
Ahead of sharing their loved ones' stories, the families heard encouraging words from the community and received tips from law enforcement on how they handle cold cases.
We work in a lot of rural counties, and we receive requests for assistance, and there are certain entities that can request us.
Sarah Lou with GBI says not just the sheriff but other local leaders such as the mayor can tap the GBI to look into a case. She shared other details about how the agency uses technology to track cell phone data, often linked to cars that can tell authorities where someone has been. She says all felons have fingerprints in the system too, a helpful tool that can be used if that evidence is left.
Family member, victim of a loved one that you've lost, raise your hand, please.
And a face many in the cold case community say they desperately need, a victim's advocate. Investigator Gladys Mason from Edgefield County Sheriff's Office told the group the importance of knowing the current investigator on their loved one's case and keeping their information up to date.
If you change your address, if you move, we must know that you moved, okay? Your phone numbers, people's phone numbers change all the time,
And a light of hope came from Andy Cato, who shared his story about his son who went missing and was later discovered murdered. Now, all involved have been convicted and are serving time.
Every day, pray. Pray for some healing. I would say pray for justice, but I don't believe that justice is fair. You're never made whole again.